Chicago Adventures Episode 2 started off with a bike ride and getting lost in the Soldier Field parking lot.
Yeah, how do I get out? Where's the...
You passed it. It's
Oh.
right there.
Not even sure how I ended up in the Soldier Field parking lot, but look at my Google Maps. Also did not realize the neighborhood surrounding Soldier Field was so nice. Hopped onto 18th Street and past the basketball courts where I used to beat Emilio at. And you know it was for dinner, El Milagro. This is probably my favorite Mexican restaurant in the city. And my go-to order is chicken mole, so that's what I got. Look at it in all its splendor. Tortillas were of course gas, but the chicken mole. Star of the show. Even wanted to save some of my pants for later. Was still a tad hungry, so got a carne asada taco on corn. Of course, smashed that. Delicious dinner. Past my old high school, and that's about it. Bye.